Ether is essentially counterspace, but allows for the manifestation of space as we see it. Counterspace has no manifestation. The whole of reality consists of the manifest and the unmanifest. Quantitatively, the unmanifest relative to the whole is the golden ratio. This is seen in nature from the highest to the lowest levels, from the observed galaxies to the characteristics of living organisms. In the ether, the manifestation at the basic microscopic level is the etherics, which are vibrations of high energy and frequency, creating circles where the ether pressure is reconciled. With three circles combined, an atom is created. But if the atom is divided, that is, the three circles are separated, we have independent etheric bodies, which are considered particles. Each of these etherics can be divided infinitely, without limit, creating etherics at higher levels. When the etheric is formed in the ether field, the manifestation of space appears. According to John Keely, every molecule down to the atom is broken down by vibration by a device called the liberate. The etheric created from the breaking down of water is a special model of breaking down because water is likened to liquid ether. The etheric is created from any matter. The key to the breaking down is the frequency of the vibration from the liberate. The etheric created in the matter at the initial level will be the particles that route the vibration to the atom or molecule. At that time, the etheric is an additive or route for the breaking down of the atom in the next times. The division in the breaking down process has the ability to reach the highest level of continuous breaking down of the smallest forms of etheric. This is a breaking down with greater power than the nuclear reaction that breaks down radioactive atoms. Modern physics has proposed a reaction like this, which is the antimatter disintegration reaction. Basically, the atomic disintegration in John Keely's technology is based on sound wave vibrations in the ether to break down atomic structures. This technology is based on etheric vapor initially created from water disintegration, then this vapor is the medium to transmit vibrations to the matter that needs to be disintegrated. The energy created, in theory, is infinite. 1 gallon of water can create energy for the whole world to use for 1 century. But this is the case of infinite disintegration of etherics considered antiparticles. John Keely's theory of atomic disintegration is just quotes, images left by John Keely's protector. However, just with that leaked information is enough to compare his sympathetic vibration physics with today's quantum physics as equivalent. Many scholars and researchers believe that nuclear weapons do not work, atomic energy or atomic bombs are fake, because they consider the theory to be wrong. For example, Einstein's calculation of atomic energy by mass defect multiplied by the square of the speed of light is not correct. Einstein himself could not prove this formula completely, and history shows that Einstein has proven the energy formula wrong many times. John Keely's theory shows that nuclear energy works, but the mechanism for generating energy based on decay is based on acoustic mechanical vibrations in the ether. This is one of the differences from quantum physics. Keely's sympathetic vibration technology shows that the energy generated from atomic decay at many levels of decay is potentially infinite, described as infinity. And this free energy, in some aspects, is atomic nuclear energy.